Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Don't mind this thing in the middle that says Movavi. This video was made with screen recorder. This is called Movavi screen recorder. It's a trial version, a free version. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen on OBS Studio. The reason I'm recording with Movavi is because this is the only other screen recorder. These are the only two screen recorders I have. So, a lot of YouTubers out there have done this, fixing the black screen, but they have a different method. They have a graphics card problem because they have these big PCs. The one I have right now is a laptop, and those big PCs have more than one graphics card, so that's why their method works. My laptop just has one graphics card, so this is a method for laptops. So you see here in sources there's something missing, and that's called display capture. Hit add and click display capture. You want to do create new and OK. Hit OK again. And now that has fixed the black screen, and I will record properly. So if you enjoyed this video and you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you want to comment, and goodbye.